अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं बहुत ही यम्मी, बहुत ही टेस्टी कलेजी रोस्ट। ये रोटी के साथ, चावल के साथ एज अ साइड डिश, बघारे खाने के साथ या फिर खिचड़ी के साथ भी बहुत अच्छा चलता है। तो ज़रूर बनाइए। चलो शुरू करते हैं। मैंने 250 ग्राम्स ऑफ कलेजी लिया हुआ है। सो लेट्स मैरिनेट विद अ फ्यू मसालास। Add the kaleji, the liver to the bowl. Cut them into small pieces. ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं करना है. Wash it well, and then drain it and add it to a bowl. To this, add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon zeera powder, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder and 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Add everything, mix well and let it marinate for 20 minutes to half an hour. We shall be cooking the kaleji in an open pan. Don't cook in the pressure cooker. There's no need for it. It takes hardly 15 to 20 minutes in an open pan. Don't overcook the kaleji as well because it will taste like rubber or it will turn very hard. Add a ladle of oil to the kadai. When the oil becomes hot, add 1 to 2 medium-sized onions, finely sliced. Saute. Then add 2 green chillies and a few curry leaves and continue sauteing till the onions turn golden brown. The onions are almost done. Let's fry for another minute or so. The onions are nice and golden brown now. Let's add the marinated liver. Add the liver and saute on low to medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover and let it cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Remember, we haven't added any salt as yet. Don't forget to saute in between. That is very important. Else the masala will get stuck at the bottom, will get burnt. Cover and continue cooking. There is residue of the masala left in the bowl in which we marinated the liver. Add half a glass of water. Mix well. Now remember, we haven't added salt. So let's add salt to the water. Add half a teaspoon of salt to the water. Then add it to the masala, to the kaleji in the kadai. Keep stirring in between. Cook for a max of 10 to 12 minutes. It's 10 minutes now. Let's check. The oil has left the sides. The liver is done. Keep sauteing on high flame for a minute or two. Saute till the water dries up completely. Kaleji masala is now ready. Do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. It goes very well with khichdi, bagaare khana, ghee rice, rotis. So do definitely try it out. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching. And thank you very much for liking my videos and appreciating my work.